And to the inducted members, ladies and gentlemen, isang magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Cornelio Carmen Tadena Jr. cannot make it today because he's attending the Lacan Balik Academia Grand Alumni Homecoming. Lahat ng mga graduates ng Philippine National Police Academy, nasa silang Cavite. Allow me to read this message. On behalf of the Provincial Office, we extend our sincere congratulations to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Marinduque, Maticas Region, for organizing this induction ceremony and for your continuing commitment to community service. Tonight's gathering is not merely a formal ceremony. It is a celebration of brotherhood, unity, and a shared commitment to serve the community. The Fraternal Order of Eagles is guided by the principle, service through strong brotherhood. These principles reflects the beliefs that when individuals unite with a common purpose, they can create a meaningful and lasting impact in society. To the inductees who will be welcomed into the organization tonight, let me remind you that becoming an eagle is more than simply joining a brotherhood. It is a responsibility, one that calls for integrity, leadership, and compassion. Because as he often emphasizes, ang tunay na leader ay hindi nasusukat sa posisyon o titulo, kundi sa malasakit at serbisyong ibinibigay sa kapwa. The Philippine National Police recognized the important role that civic organization plays in building stronger communities, maintaining peace and order and development is not the responsibility of the government institutions alone. It requires cooperation and partnership with organizations such as yours. Through your outreach programs, humanitarian activities, and community initiatives, you help strengthen the spirit of volunteerism and public service. In doing so, you become valuable partners in promoting unity and social responsibility. As emphasized in the message of our provincial director, the true meaning of brotherhood is not only about standing together, but also about working together to uplift others. Sa madaling salita, ang pagkakaisa ay nagiging makabuluhan lamang kapag ito ay ginagamit upang makatulong at makapaglingkod sa kapwa. To the newly inducted members, may this evening serve as a reminder that being an eagle carries with it responsibility to uphold the values of integrity, respect, and genuine service to the community. Once again, on behalf of Police Colonel Cornelio C. Tadena Jr., we congratulate you to the Fraternal Orders of Eagles, to Marinduque, Maticas Region, and to all the newly inducted members. May you continue to soar higher in your mission of service and brotherhood. And as your organization probably declares, isang tunay na agila ay hindi lamang mataas lumipad, kundi handang bumaba upang tumulong sa kapwa. Muli, magandang gabi Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Agila!